Guys, it snowed again last night. I was a little bit more prepared this time though. Hey, I did not film it, and I will film stuff like this in the future. I'm sorry, I'll work on that. But this was kind of crazy. I don't know if you guys remember, but we had these tarps up on the roof right here. There was actually a huge ice block up here. It's probably like 200 pounds, but we screwed this plywood down right here and then cut it and bam, and then bam, and it was kind of nuts. But so we got this down so that the extra snow wouldn't collapse onto my roof and break my roof. Guys, the roof has not collapsed. That's actually kind of incredible. Yesterday, before it snowed again, me and Jesse did clear off all of the roofs that we could, just to be sure, because that was actually quite a bit of snow. Also got the ATVs cleared off of snow, and we put tarps on them. Those don't got snow on them. That's pretty sick. Stove's been running and working good. Definitely some adjustments I could make to make it work a little bit better, but it's working good enough for me. It's actually serving a few purposes. I know it's dirt, but I think it's mainly at the bottom. But I've been daily cleaning myself with this. If anything is frozen, I can just put it in that pot and it unfreezes. Cool being able to dry things off, but I dried these off a little bit too hard. The two coolest parts, I think, since I have the stove in my kitchen and it's going up there, is everything in my kitchen doesn't freeze like in New Mexico every single day. Like all the condiments and any drink was a complete ice block. And now stuff like water doesn't freeze. And all the other stuff. Main thing is batteries and computers and phones and stuff like that. It's impossible to do content creation, with no heat. That's probably why my stovepipe's sideways. The puppy dogs are loving the weather. The chickens are hating it. I always just find them laying, like when it's snowing, I look for them and they're just laying out there in the snow. It's kind of weird, but also likes the stove too. I just realized. Also lays down right next to the stove. Dries off. Actually kind of sick, but kind of weird. Saw a ginormous rat thingy this morning. Wish me luck. It's the next morning, the bait's gone, the trap is triggered, and there's no freaking rat in there, dude. I ain't running the stove too hot right now. It's only 29 degrees outside. It's 39 in here. And inside of my house is, and I'm amazed by this actually, it's 53 degrees in here. Pretty cool. It's supposed to get down to 12 degrees Fahrenheit tonight, so I'll keep you guys posted on the temperatures inside the house. It's Chef Will today, folks, because Jesse's up at Nate doing whatever he has to do.
Come on, ass. Let's go. Good boy. What's up, big man? You sit? Go eat. Good boy. What's up, menu? Shiloh? Nice bone. Very nice bone. Yeah. Got the generator going. Gonna get some ducks water. Twitch going. Nice. Got Charlotte on the leash. Some ducks. Come to this. Whoa. Oh, that was a lot. You guys want some corn too? Feed the rabbits. Usually they're right here. Oh, they're in their hutch. Whew, that scared me for a second. Just gonna pop this open for you. Whoa, soft. Buzz. Here's some freshy water for you. What's up? Is it? Good. Go eat. Good boy. Alright, I missed. There you go. Alright, we're attempting to go into town. Yep, made it to town. Loaded up in the gator.
Oh, fuck my ass.
Do the place to be going forward
When they were attacking.
I think those can often be two very different things. So, and we had organizations that were looking into organization, a directive, but it like okay, there's if we don't have things something up, we'd be part of the U.S.'s strategy.
That was a huge issue, like I said, and you do have to be careful.
Just did it better than us on fact. Tend to agree and have less, and they combined that.
Might not be.
Well, but it's going to take a while. I think we're probably pretty accurate on censorship mistakes that we make. Right, the stuff that was restricted before, taking them down, harmful content. That is to be require more confidence. We will then make it just like, or do we want to?
You're accusing this other government on any of that.
Because who gets to judge? Each, I think, are the ones that got the political said that one is causing the issue.
Supports companies makes
Right, they're basically the people who class of creators who made the platform. It's just like being.
I don't have any oil or butter.
Speaking on the radio, but it turned out it actually was a completely different type of person that you left your radio. It's just like your voice and your
Very sad.
Not have the thing that you want to say until like 5 minutes later.
one of the straight shooters now.
And dialogue is carried out, but
Do you not think?
but we did generally defect. Probably wouldn't, knowing what I know now. And
Oh, I didn't even check if I cooked that all the way. What's up, chickens? peaceful morning down in the holler. We might get a little bit of sun today. That would be cool. What's up, bud? Also? What's up, also? Oh, did you want scratches? Did you want scratches? Yeah, you did. Did you want scratches, also? Get in there. I'm gonna just keep you guys posted. I got lots of cool plans that I'm excited about, but I'm just gonna do them, and it's gonna be fun. Hoop Dog sent down this energy ball. Whoop. Hope you felt that. See you guys next time. Willie out.
Hey, I make the glizzy flip, wrap the string around the hook, wait for a tug and reel it in. Hey, I reel it in, looking out for bears, cause Willie eat the same food as him. I should probably buy what's though, but I can't find one on Craigslist and they expensive at the store. I'm in my bag looking for the silky and the axe. I'm in the river flipping rocks and stones. I'm looking for crawdads.